Hey guys, so we are here. We are going to show you how to make a histogram with the data you have. So we previously in previous video we showed you how to find a medium using the Google Sheets. So here I am again in my chart. I am gonna go in to ELA passing rates. And I'm gonna go all the way down here and I'm just gonna write medium because this is where I'm gonna find my information for myself. And then I'm going to do medium. So equals, and again, there is another video to show you how to do this. So equals medium, and then I'm going to do C2 through, colon, right? C271, right? Close it, enter. It tells me that my medium is 0.3795, which is about a 38% average of ELA passing. Now we want to say, let's say your theory is like, you know what, a good school means that they have double that. So here I would just put my double, and I'm just gonna type it in so that way I remember when I create my chart. So I'm gonna say double. Double of 38 would be 76, so 0.76, right? Just so I remember. And this information here, again, it is for my eyes only to help me do my chart. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna click on the column C because that is the percentages I'm dealing with, and I'm gonna go to chart. And as you see, I have histogram chart already set up. The title, histogram, passing rate for English, language arts, I have that up. But guess what? This data is showing me from 0% to 90. And what I really am looking for is 76% and up. Again, I'm talking in percentage. This is in decimals. By now, we should know how to convert our decimals to percentages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on my x-axis. Again, this is my x-axis. I click on it and it'll take me directly to customize. I want to customize my x-axis to have a minimum value of 0.76. Click enter. So now it shows me all the schools just from 76 and up. Again, that is what my x-axis represents. It represents the percentage of ELA passing rate, right? And again, I can type that up as well, and I'll show you how to do that. For my horizontal, I'm not going to change any of these numbers. Again, these numbers represent the number of schools. So guess what? If I know what these numbers stand for, I should be able to write that in on the side. So not only is the person looking at your charts understand what it means, but you know what it means to help you further explain it. So what I would do here is I would go to chart and axis titles. So we're going to keep it the same, histogram of ELA passing rate, great. And now I'm going to change my horizontal axis. Again, horizontal axis is your X. And here, I want to call this percentage of passing rates, right? And it's right down there. As you see, I'm typing it up. Great. Now I want to change my vertical axis, which actually has nothing in there right now. And I want to change this to, I can put number of schools, right? So now again, you can change your font up. I could put this wide. I can go back here by clicking on it. I can change the font on it, put this white as well. I can change this to literally different colors. It tells you, look, change the text colors if you want. You can make it nice and pretty. You can go here to chart style. If you want to change the background, you can. I can make this like a light pink. Great, right? I can change this to a different color. Let's say I want to just do black and pink. I don't know, right? So once I'm done with this, okay, I have my data. I want to put this in my research paper. What you're going to do is you're going to press these three little dots right up here on the chart. And you can either download your chart as a PDF or PNG, which is just like a JPEG image. Or you can like publish your chart, but again, just save it. So I can save this honestly as a PNG image, right? So it downloads to my actual it downloads to my actual internet, right? So I click on it, it opens up as an image here. Oh, look at that. Great. It's saved on my desktop. But let's say I click out of here, right? I can do another way. I can press the little dots again, and I can, again, I'm not going to publish the chart. I can copy the chart, right? So if I go into another document, so let's say I go to here, my information, I found a histogram. So let me see where, oh, histogram right here, right? So if I go and I click control C, right? I mean, control V, which is pasting, it says link to spreadsheet, right? Or paste unlinked, whichever you prefer. So I'm gonna just paste unlinked, right? Because I just want you to be able to see my chart. If you press linked, it will also give them a link to the actual data that you did. And if you want to do that, you can do that as well. So here I go. Then why did you make this chart? And obviously you understand your data because you have your X and your Y axis labeled. And again, this is another way, instead of using Pirate, to show your quantitative, your categorical visualizations. Okay, have a great day, guys.